Welcome to Unit 210, Regency at McLean. Your first impression is created by this gracious foyer, which opens to expansive living room with newly installed wood floors. This living room is awash with natural light, with approximate western views. It enjoys sliding glass door access to a sizable balcony. From this extra long balcony, one can enjoy recently re-landscaped plaza area for Regency residents with many intimate seating areas. The swimming pool area is just beyond. Just a note here that the tennis courts adjacent to the plaza are part of the sought-after Regency Sport and Health Club, which can be physically accessed via passageway without having to go outside. There's a separate membership fee to belong to this club, and many residents of the building do belong. Let's go into the master bedroom suite from the balcony. As you can see, the bedroom area also accesses the balcony. You will also see 3 good-sized closets, one walk-in with closet organizers, one mirrored closet, and also a linen closet. You can see the newly updated master bath with sparkling white tile, new vanity, new light fixture, new medicine chest, ready to enjoy. We're coming back to the entry foyer with a generous walk-in closet. It's for coats and storage. You'll notice in this Regency unit that the closets are quite generous. Walking back through the living room area. The next room we'll encounter to the left is, on the floor plan, considered a formal dining room. However, it has versatile uses. It can be a very generously proportioned home office with its many bookshelves. It also has a window view to the balcony. To the left, off of the dining room, is the second bedroom or den. Please note that there's no window in this room, but it works well as a guest suite because it has an ensuite bathroom and a closet. Here's the closet for bedroom 2 or the den. Back out to the dining room, to louvered double doors to the very large eat-in kitchen with lighted ceiling fan. There's stackable washer and dryer in this room, frost-free refrigerator, solid surface countertops, very lovely off-white cabinets with crystal pulls, dishwasher and disposal. Beyond the kitchen is the second entrance to this property. When you go out this second door, you're very close to the trash disposal recycle room, so it makes it very easy not only for emptying trash, but also bringing in your groceries to this back door. Real bonus is yet another closet, shelved closet, which can be a pantry, good place to put your vacuum cleaner and mops, And this is right off the kitchen. We'll do another walk through the property. I hope you've enjoyed your tour of Unit 210 Regency. This is well priced. It's a good value for 1,702 square feet of living space. Also, a garage space and storage space accompanies this unit, and all utilities are included.